students. So many times you must have encountered that somebody committed something to you and they did not fulfill the word, and then you were disappointed and you had a disadvantage and you felt ditched or let down. But at other times, the opposite can also be true. When we commit to somebody about something and we become helpless or we forget or any such thing and we are not able to keep our promise, then what do we hope for? We hope that the other person should just forget, or if not possible, then at least forgive, and don't he or she should not say anything to us and we should get away with it, right? We are going to talk about accountability today. Whatever we have taken the responsibility for, we are accountable for producing that result. Whether the other person is particular or not about we being accountable, we must be accountable. I will tell you why. When we commit something and not able to fulfill that, it has an impact on our own personality more than on any other person's. If we fail in our commitments, the other person may or may not be affected. Supposing he or she is tolerant, they will not say a mouthful to us and we will get away with that. But can we hide our own reality from ourselves? Obviously not. In that sense, we start having a poor opinion of ourselves at a subconscious level, and we are not even aware of that. Gradually, we come to a point by doing such things off and on many times, we come to a stage when we are not able to like or respect ourselves from that angle, that we know about ourselves that I'm a person who doesn't keep my word. It may be translated that we have a weak opinion, poor opinion about ourselves. This is called reduction of self-esteem. So as our self-esteem dips, who is the loser? We and only we. From that viewpoint, I would suggest to you that if we commit something, we must fulfill, and we should try and leave many other things to come up to our own word and deliver the goods. Even over deliver means do it a bit before time, do it a bit more extra than expected, go an extra mile and feel fulfilled, enjoy the fame and the enhanced self-esteem. If we don't follow that, gradually we become very frustrated persons and the loss is only ours. As we fulfill our word, we go towards more and more strength of our personalities and become an example and get the inner joy, feel high and good about ourselves, and being accountable is really worth it. Lastly, I would like to add that sometimes we are really helpless. Supposing we have to reach somewhere at 10 a.m. and we started much ahead of time, but we encountered unexpected traffic or any other problem we encountered, so we are late. Now what to do? Instead of keeping the other person waiting, connect to that person. In this era of mobile phones and smartphones, it's very much possible to reach via a message or a short call and redeclare the meeting point or the meeting time, redeclare it and now fulfill it. If you have to cancel something, reach out and do cancel, and don't be very careless or casual, but if you have valid reasons, then explain the reasons and cancel if it's required. So follow these things. When you declare, fulfill it. If not possible, redeclare and fulfill it, the modified version, and enjoy your self-respect. Enjoy being the person you are and be a reliable person for others. It has many advantages. Number one, it's your fame and your candidature, and the other one is that if you're reliable for someone, they will also be very reliable for you. It's mutual and reciprocal. Follow it and enjoy. All the best.